What's up YouTube people, welcome back to MP World. In this video today I will show you important thing for Apple Watch Series 6 or like any kind of Apple Watch, like if you have Series 3, 4 or 5, so you can follow this video. So on my hand this is Apple Watch Series 6, and in this video I will show you today about forgotten passcode. So how to fix your forgotten passcode. So I have fixed my watch. Now I will show you again how to do it. So what you have to do first, you just need to connect your charger, like this magnetic charger, with your Apple Watch, and after that you need to press these two button. This is power button and digital crown button. So these two button, okay, first you have to press and hold the power button. After that this screen will come. Now you have to press and hold the digital crown, then you will get this option, reset option. Here now you have to press reset, and it will take time, few minutes, like, because the full method, like full method will take like 3 to 4 minutes. Now what you have to do is simply you just need to pair your iPhone Apple Watch with iPhone, and you have to sync your important data if you have important data on your Apple Watch. So I don't have important data on my watch, that's why I'm not syncing. I'm just signing with my Apple ID. So after all these things, you can see there is no passcode on my Apple Watch. And if you want to do same operation on by your phone, then you can do, just simply you need to open your Apple Watch app, and from there you can reset your Apple Watch. Thank you for watching guys, and I hope it worked perfectly. And if you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel.